Daddy and Mathias went to breakfast. Happy birthday, birthday. We go early. Happy birthday, my love. Love, love, love. You have a good breakfast with Dad? Yeah. Where you guys go? What's the name? Pegasus? Yeah. What you have?
Some bacon and pancake.
Bacon and pancake. Did you get the smiley pancake this time?
No.
No. But it's good? Very good? Hi, little girl. Happy birthday. How old are you? I think you're 20.
9.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You look old. Let me see. You guys get me an Ezekiel too? Yes. Thank you for your birthday breakfast. We got some too. So we got eggs, bacon, and sausage, and sandwich. Ready to eat, Ezekiel? Yeah. Let me see. How old are you? I think you're 30.
5.
Oh, 5. How old is Mathias? 20?
9.
Are you sure about this?
Yeah.
So cute. The pumpkins. Thank you. Chicken satay.
And you want sauce? You want sauce?
And that's what it is.
Okay.
And
Calamari. Is that squid, no?
That's it.
Just
Not too
sometimes.
much. You gotta remember, you still got that.
Oh. Yeah. Sometimes ito ani the squid or octopus. Uy. No.
You wouldn't dip in your sweet sauce.
Dancing sa music ay. Oh.
Careful not to cook your sauce.
Yeah, careful. There's a stick.
time for chopstick time. Dragon fire right there. Yeah.
He's too hungry.
What? It's what? It's dragon fire right now.
Close it. They're done already. Do it.
Uh-oh. Yeah, but
Almost all done.
Yeah.
maybe that's what's...
No, it's this way.
What's the sound?
We just gonna thank you.
Thank you.
The cheese.
The cheese.
Cheese. The sushi.
Pushy.
Keep on, Ezekiel.
Pushy.
Yeah.
I'm
That's okay. So, yun na favorite niya ang
Oh
sushi.
my.
Yung plato na kuno na.
Oh, oh.
Yan siya. Favorite ka niya ang sushi. Yes, a sushi boy.
You have a sushi mountain.
Yeah, sushi mountain. Mango na sushi mango. Chinese best. Artisan chopstick. How about Ezekiel? Is that good?
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Mango in future.
It's party na.
Just a mango madness.
Look, yung dogs Mathias is a bumpy. What's the dance? Miracle ni Mathias, almost gana. No, hindi Ezekiel, oh. No. Mathias. Like you're fighting, Ezekiel. Oh. Uy. Your pan stuff? Yes.
Almost.
Almost para siya finish man niya. Careful lang ng konastro ha. Ice cream, cake.
Yeah, 9.
9 candles for 9-year-old Mathias.
Wait. 1. The wax is burning.
That's how candles work.
Yeah.
1 more.
One more. Let's go sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mathias. Happy birthday to you. You have wish? What you wish?
Load up.
Nothing.
Okay, load up. Oh. Happy Ezekiel. Oh. Yay! Cha.
Lightning.
Lightness. Yeah, good job. Excited na Ezekiel. And there's a lady in the store. Give them $1 each because they are one down. Ubidin ba ito? What she said lang? Ubidin? Or,
So,
What do you call it?
like you listen.
yeah.
Me too? That should be 4.
Yeah, I think respectful. That's what he said,
Oh, that's 4.
Yeah, the lady there. Yeah, that's what the lady said. Because they're respectful daw. At first, they're shy to accept the money.
That's okay.
What that?
That's okay when it's...
Wow! And cake! Yummy cake! Nag-buy lang ni sister para kuan. Waman mi
I'm
nag-video.
ready to go to play. Yes!
Oh, mountains of ice cream. Oh.
You know what's my favorite? Here, try this. You take
Mix.
some ice cream, you take some of this.
Yep.
And take a bite of that.
Let's see. Look! Power up! Thumbs up! Look at Ezekiel. Ezekiel is excited. That's a big piece. How about you just
4 pieces.
divide it to 4? That's a big piece kayo. That good, Mathias? Good, Ezekiel?
Tasting that ice cream.
I know. Stinker. Wow! Uy! Big thumbs up. Big thumbs up! Solved na ang birthday. After 1 week of doing fun stuff.
This one.
Yeah, one scoop lang. Thank you. Then here, the real birthday Mathias ice cream and cake and breakfast niya with his dad.
And sushi.
And sushi. His favorite sushi.
And lunch.
Yeah.
What lunch we had?
What lunch? Mami made. The easy. Corn dogs.
This is Elliott's main gift, so
Yeah.
it's a little bit
Oh, yeah.
nicer. This is not your main gift. Your main gift is coming Thursday.
Look.
And you have an extra grandma, and you can go and have fun.
thank you.
You want to try?
Thank you.
See what it is.
Uy.
Don't know what it is?
Wait.
You
Oh,
gotta
it's been knocked.
look outside. Your other one is an Explorer one too. I'm tempted to give that one
Yeah.
to you too. It's like the best one.
Yep, you can use in water too.
They can
Oh,
start
really?
with
Yes, you can use in water.
So this has a case. You got binoculars?
Nice.
Binoculars where you're gonna look. So hopefully,
you adjust it with that middle thing.
Yep.
I think it's on the other side. I think it goes around.
Other side, other side. Oh no?
all come out.
Oh
Somehow.
wait.
Wait.
Cool.
It's not that side, it's the other side,
The other
right?
side.
You're doing it backwards.
Very nice though.
Does it make it?
Tiza. Sa dere oh. Duyan. Duyan. Chuchu. Duyan. Ah. Dula sila. Go! Simple game. Kalingaw na mga bata. Nice day. Gloomy day. Very, very low.
Maybe it's made out of stone.
Could be.
Look, a moose.
Mm.
It's made out of stone and wood if covered down. No, stone is color gray.
A guitar. But they don't have any ink, but they better not laugh. All right.
It's a moose.
Moose.
Antlers.
Elk na elk.
Enormous.
Wow. What is that? That big thing?
Giant deer statue.
I guess. New friend na ako daw.
Oh man.
Hi, new friend.
Mathias.
Hello? Then there's a kid there. Look here. Nice area. Hello there. Oh, clear water. Oh, look at this fish. Yes. Yep.
Rock your phone. Wow, there's some big fish.
I know.
No, I say like, how long is it? Like 2 hours, 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
I think
Piggyback ride daw sila. It's just a binocular.
Yeah, those ones have like an interesting build.
Cute.
I found it with my
Beautiful.
But they.
Look, bottom
Oh, that's what that is. Yeah.
That's a McDonald's.
McDonald's.
That's called Jeremy just said spoonbill.
It's like dancing.
It was behind that tree, that one there, and that corner.
I think it's eating there.
Start, come this way.
Look, it's spinning.
Is there
Yeah.
anyone doing it too? Or they just put their head on the ground and they just start spinning?
These are called a
Yeah.
spoon.
Cute.
A second ago, it was just spinning.
Yep.
He's taking a ride on Mathias the butterfly. Woohoo! You Elliott, no? Come on, I'll maybe go. Or Elliott go with the... He wants alone. Scoot up a little bit. Other way. Back, right there. Right
Pretty.
I agree that they're still beautiful.
Hi,
Go get some color.
jungle.
Oh, Auntie eaten it like this when they were.
Thirsty man. I don't know.
Great.
Yep. Cute.
Pig type.
Like little pig.
So South America.
Wait,
If you want to
Yeah,
get
these are like,
Well, that's the.
that might be a different one.
Chip, 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 chip.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
they really do it when...
Number Ezekiel, hello daw. You're feeding Ezekiel?
No.
feed this one.
Come on. They're so pretty. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty ducks too. I like those. The one with mixed with a little blue. Yeah. Yeah, there's a little.
Not to eat a person, dude.
Hello? He hear you, Ezekiel, like bye-bye. Hello? Hello? Bye-bye again, bye-bye. Get picture there. Come on po.
Pumpkin heads and the corn. Cheese. Mathias, look up here. Look up. Look up.
1, 2, 3, angry.
Look up, Mathias.
Angry again.
Evil corn.
Yay, nice. Look at here. Okay. Look, the thunder po. The jungle. He's into butterfly stuff now. You weirdo. Yeah.
And it's Jen.
We came to here. Then we just. We need your hand.
More food. Yep. Is it kill upon? Yeah. Oh. This big one wants more. Want just them.
This one's awesome. That one's real.
It wants all, yeah.
No, not here. I need to.
Goats.
Would you get out? No.
Donkeys. Ezekiel, there's donkey. Yeah. You wash your hands? Yeah. You see the, what's that? Back in the mood na si Ezekiel.
Your baby or my food?
Did you give it, Ezekiel, Mathias? Yeah, donkey needs food. But the goat is on the way. Hey! Yeah, that goat is on the way. Matthias is washing his hands.
Just open your hand.
Very sweet.
She doesn't bite.
Yeah, you got to see
You did it. High five.
Woohoo! 2, 4. Yeah.
We'll see. Your turn. That part.
Oh, 3.
So for competition jumping.
Hey! Water?
She is so pretty.
Pretty house. It walks too very pretty. It walks pretty too. Say hi, everybody.
Wow. Too bad we can't drop her some food, huh?
Probably doesn't
Yeah.
have food.
Cute.
Wow, she is ginormous. Do you know people have ridden on these, haven't they?
We've all seen him out and started number 15 while he's waiting.
I bet you would eat.
Child walking? Sako ba? Di man ako.
Bear.
Bear country.
Bear. Us?
Yep, that's correct. Bear with us.
Probably what we'll be doing this winter, Sally. Hibernate.
Go there.
Come on, Ellie. I think your hands in the back. This is a real bear. That's a human bear.
Yeah, let's go.
Animal club.
Man.
We can just go down here.
Usually their sound.
Go make a monkey sound.
Yeah, what's that?
Josh wants some mandarin.
Yep, that's pretty, huh? That's why when I see it, it's a bamboo, like the other types of bamboo. It's like they're talking, huh? That's their voices.
I'm praying and
Huh?
lesser kudu. It's a kudu.
Oh. Now my feet are
Hurting.
hurting.
They're so cute.
Who wants to be lion food?
Lion food.
That lion's depressed. Look, he's going back and forth. No, baby.
So cute. Go, go, go! Go, Ezekiel! Aww!
You did it!
Woohoo! Go, Mathias, go! Got a long tongue! Oh, they're so cute. Oh, long tongue! Good job, Jer, that you did that long so we can see how long their tongue. Go, Mathias, go! Yeah, yeah.
No, yeah. Well, I got my finger.
Go, Mathias. Here.
Oh, you have to point it out like
Can we
this.
get some more? Okay, I'll get one more.
They're so cute. So pretty. Pretty, pretty girl. Hi.
There's a tiger. No, it's a tiger. It was a tiger.
Go right here, go right here. Cute. Go, Ezekiel.
Oh, it does? Oh.
Oh, they're not bad.
Oh,
Oh my god!
Oh, you get a small one.
go, Ezekiel.
That's tiny. Whoa,
That is cool.
That is so cool, yeah.
That is really. Oh, man.
Such a cutie, cutie.
Need to do another $5?
Should I?
I'll do it.
I know. I haven't done
I was
it.
planning on doing it.
Hi.
Yeah, because
Oh, oi. That's a long time.
I am not. I am not going to eat.
Cute giraffe.
Oh,
Hi, giraffe.
I'll feed you some more.
Wow.
What is this?
Oh, they're waiting, they're waiting.
So you can try it. That's all the
Yeah, boy. Here, Jer, give me a little. Go get one, Sarah. There. Yeah, just little.
just
I can feed it if you want.
I know.
No, wait till it's...
Not yet.
This one,
You got two coming.
Look, Auntie Sarah got one.
Oh.
Go, 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 go. Good job, Mathias. Good job. Wait for the baby. It's so cute. Hi, I got nothing. Oi! You guys are so cute. So cute.
The baby duck.
Super cute.
That's what that is.
It's so cute. Yes, is that fun?
I'm having fun.
Fun feeding the giraffe?
Feeding the giraffe is fun.
Yeah. Very fun.
What was the other one's name?
What?
What was the other one? It's not.
What? We made us come here.
Is he mad? Mad lion.
No, I have everyone to text.
What is this, girl or boy?
Go.
Girl.
The things sticking out are the boys.
Yeah.
That.
Is it here, Tisa? So with the lion. Ezekiel.
Consider that a
That's
roar.
the like noise. They don't roar like in the movies. In the movies, you're a tiger. Like all the time.
What is in here? No?
It's like a dinosaur.
Dinosaur?
Because you need like a.
Oh, kitty.
Yeah.
There's the other one.
There's the other one, huh? On the back.
Baby.
It's swimming.
It is
They just go in the bath. Cute toy toys.
totally in armor, man.
This is
It's beautiful.
It's hungry.
It looks like
I told you I don't like what you.
Isn't it cute tortoise, Ezekiel?
some kind of a helmet
Oi.
from the 1800s or 1700s.
What did he do?
Even earlier.
Did you want
That one, oi, it's coming over, guys. Oh, coming over. Say, hey, a visitor. Or maybe
that
it's hungry.
He's going to eat food.
Oh, look at Ezekiel. Look, walking.
Your food is this.
Oh. Yeah, he just want to go maybe in the dry area. So cute.
What's going?
Exactly like you.
What do you mean?
I'm sure was having a long day. I mean, it's not
Tap on it.
I know. This one wants all the food in the world.
Hey, hi, boys.
He's coming to eat you.
Oh, look. He wants to eat all the food.
This one's getting ready to eat a bunch. It's right here.
What is those brown things called?
Probably like pellets, like we fed the goats.
This one is pretty colored, right?
Yeah, this was the name of one of the sequels.
Sa sibrahan. Baklay-baklay. Dari may sa Springfield na zoo. Baklay-baklay with our kinipusgan sakbag. Oh. That is there. Oh. Almost done na ni.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, lots of koniro. What are you doing in there? Nice. Look, they're in the scorpion area. Where is Ezekiel? Zeke?
Oh no, that's it.
You scared? What you guys looking at, Ezekiel?
He's 14 feet.
That big one,
You guys
huh?
want to try your skill with the penny?
Penny?
I have it. Here, you drop it right here. Wait, let this go all the way through. Wow, we should count it.
Big tarantula.
Wow, look long.
Goodness.
20 seconds.
Hold on. Wow, I think this is going to go even longer. You should have timed it. Physics turn.
It's over 22. Oi! Look.
That was longer.
Yeah. Yun na, tapos. There's mga reptile. We have a moving friend in here. Very active. Sumali siya din Lagyan kayo mga snake. There's a black one here. What do you think about garter snakes, Mathias?
Mom,
What do you think of it?
it's amazing.
Amazing. Is that pretty?
See him.
Okay, smile, look up at me. Look at me. Okay, now Elliott's so tired. He's not, maybe not sleeping great either. Okay, hold it this way. Let's see the giraffe head a little bit. Cheese, cheese, cheese. There we go. Look at mom. Look at mom. Look at me, mommy.
Okay.
3 chocolates? Or how much?
Just one chocolate.
Okay.
Because we don't have
Cornhole koan.
Oh, see?
Load up.
Blow it.
Good job, Mathias.
But it's been touching the bottom. Ezekiel, let me see that one.
Yeah.
That one was touching the floor.
Yeah, let me
Yeah.
see it. Here, bring it to Grandma. And here, give
It's
him
a
this.
metal marshmallow.
Yeah.
Let's give this for the bus.
Here, see.
Yeah, there's enough.
Here, let me make you some. See?
Here, I got it.
I think the metal.
Do you want me to make you a super good?
You got it, Mathias?
Very lemon.
You can put it in one more time.
Yeah, I might have one. You want a fat one or the little one?
You can blow that.
It's all ready.
That one's
Yours already? Where's your stick?
I've
I
got
already gave you some chocolate.
Yep.
So you have to- Where's your stick at though? The stick that you did your marshmallows.
right.
Here, Mathias, go put chocolate in it.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna.
Where's the crackers? Be careful, Mathias. No, not yet, pa. It's not. Uy.
Harder with the flame than the coals, right?
Yeah.
That's a ginormous marshmallow.
Super big.
I think they're jumbo ones.
Mm. Maybe this is enough,
Oh, wait,
Mathias.
the eating was doing air. Mom's got it.
Hey, Mathias, right here.
Here, take what?
Or you're really spraying
Why are we talking about work?
Well, because we get to know each other that way.
True injury.
It's an easy conversation starter, right? We've all got wounded before.
Now,
Now we'll be dancing. I don't know.
What are you guys playing?
I'm playing a different game. Well, we're playing the same game.
Yeah.
Oh, dude! No, not playing any games. We're only gonna window. Okay, I'm No, measles.
Meow. Dari na oh. Yung sunset to. Sunset. Para ang mga country boys. Hello. You guys play? So nani kanindot ang kuan. Hi, Willow. Hello, Willow. Nana kanindot oh. Ang atong sunset. Sunset, sunset. Hello. Nadari atong Ezekiel. Sa darimi. Sa ilahang kuan, lula ug lolo. Grandparents kuan. So darimi gabi nagkalayo. Darimi nagbaktas-baktas. Nindot kaayo. Mathias ug Ezekiel. Ayan sila. Mathias and Ezekiel and Elliott naa sa kuan, sa truck. And who's this person? Who is this? With the bag. Hindi bigla kami sa ilang working site here. Kanindot. Very beautiful sunset.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the right.
So maybe this is their entrance. Oh, there's no water in there.
Looks like they're already in there.
Yeah.
Mission accomplished. That was fun.
You guys ready to go? That is actually good.
Oh, cool. Aww. Bloodhound.
Base of a bluff. Unable to find his way back to the surface, he was followed by his owner, Joe. So this dog found the cavern.
Oh, he found the cavern. Okay. Yeah.
The river took a winding course, carving the passage, carrying us right through the cave. After century after century, water persisted from sweeping behind a crystalline trail.
Cards by water.
After the end of the American Civil War, Springfield's newspaper, 12 local women arrived. During their exploration, they left their names on the paved wall to commemorate the events.
Look at their machine here.
Flooding installed in the cave.
Steam power.
That was, I'm guessing, gas, or at least battery. The second type of electrical plane installed in the sidewalk was a Elko light plane ground off of kerosene and was used to keep the lights on until power lines were ran into the cave in the 1940s. As technologies advanced, modern systems that bring LED brighter lighting.
Yep. Who's right? Who's the driver? No, Elliott.
Say mm. You say mm. Yeah. Outside, we're gonna toss Ezekiel in a cave.
Toss Ezekiel in the cave.
Say, Mathias pooped his pants.
You.
Okay.
Change driver. Why you do that to Elliott? Mathias, give me a big smile, driver Mathias. Yeah? Mathias, look at your
He's
cheese.
gonna crash into the cave. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Cute. Let's go. Yeah?
Let's go look in.
Change na ang color sa leaves. Autumn na. Gift shop nila here.
May I have your attention, please? The next ride adventure of Fantastic Caverns is now boarding. If you're holding tickets in a folder with a red dot on.
Careful with the glass. Amethyst. Come here. Lamp.
Because
Mugs.
these are half off, so it's
Yeah.
$12. So it's 12 divided by 2.
Yep. Hi, Ezekiel. Yeah? Because there's mirror in there, silly. Sorry, me. Sorry, sorry. Maybe so.
That one again? Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Top of Athens.
What do you think she like? That one, Ezekiel, the one in your Minecraft, it's like obsidian.
Yes. That one.
That's what you think she like?
It's the same color.
Yep.
And I don't see
Tiger eye.
I know.
Yeah. Dyed quartz. Smoky quartz. Pirate. Calcite.
Yes.
This is what daw Annabelle want, Jer.
Finally, I
Agate.
found it.
Yeah, Mathias. Keep saying obsidian. Ooh.
Perfect.
You want that?
I like this one like this.
Yeah. Let me see. That one, Mathias, is dyed quartz.
Oh, this is a nice
It's nice. Let me see.
obsidian is
Yeah.
very fragile.
Front.
You need to be very.
No.
You know, like,
I think he likes that one.
dimes.
Is he real?
Oh yeah, I have one of those.
You have one?
The arrowheads, yeah.
Wow. You get the same with Mathias.
That one, or do you want to look through, see which one's your favorite?
He wants
like
arrow
that
one.
one?
Cool.
That one is cool one.
Dad, this is not bad.
Oh.
Actually, I'm gonna get two.
Okay.
Okay.
This is
What's he get
Those
to?
aren't fast.
Yeah. Good. Looking for rocks.
See this?
Mathias, look at the fossil.
Look at this. Hat. Oh, but Ziggy wants a bat hat. Test board.
It's 179.
Yeah.
So this is their gift shop. Hi, raccoon. Look.
Yeah, I did have that before.
He wants that. Oh. Hi, raccoon.
Yeah, it was probably much steeple because it was at the antique store. And down.
For sure, this one is kind of expensive. How much?
$19.
Oh, it's not even bad. 19. Whoa.
What about a $9 thing? In the bag.
No.
It's cool.
Hi, Mr. Raccoon. Yeah, it's cool. Oh, you gotta have the same now with Elliott.
Exactly.
Yep. Did you know Elliott have one with that? Ezekiel?
This
So
one's kind of cool.
Hi, raccoon. It's so cute, Ezekiel. You get it? Yeah? Here, sit down. And I got
You want a
magnet.
fancy cut?
Mine is fantastic cover magnet. He wants fossils too?
You want a book? It's
Both for sure. Which one? Show it to Mommy, Mathias. What you got? Fossils? This is what Mathias wants.
this?
What's that shape there? This just arrow shape or
This is
These, so
like Terry,
those are
like eye?
fossils.
Oh, you need to look the fossils, Miss Mathias. Look,
See it?
it's like feather. What's this?
No, it's certain types of like that's a
Yep.
fossil white.
Oh, this is
Good
probably
choice,
a snake.
Mathias.
Looks like a snake too.
Next
Like that
tail.
one.
How about the other one, Mathias?
You had a little Christmas, right?
Yes. Oh, that's cool. Here.
I'm thinking. This one.
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
What's the shape of a letter L?
Little L. You like that one? Are you sure now?
Yes.
Okay. So that's fossils and his tongue.
You want that one? Okay.
50% is sugar, so
Let's go pay.
9, 10, 20, 10.
Fantastic Catherine will be ready in 5 minutes.
Pay.
40 minutes and 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm here too. Here, magnet jar. Whoa. Here. Oh, you got 4? 4 of that obsidian.
5.
I might be Ezekiel would like to, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, Ezekiel, you can wear it now. Cool. Hello.
Do you want to take a picture with it?
Here, yeah. Picture your mommy here. Aw, look at it's funny. Yummy popcorn. This is Mathias. Halbig. Wine Peru. Holt. Carbide fluid acetylene gas generator. You don't like this. Go. Yay. Let's go. We're going now. Here we go. Yeah, we're here. No, I like here. We're here.
This is for one with white.
Yeah. Oh, we're moving. Oh. Look at that, Mathias. Look at those.
Make away.
I know.
Alright, that's it. Thanks for coming out. I did my part. I brought everybody down to see the cavern. It takes me about 45 minutes to get us back up there. I'm just kidding, guys. Look up on the hill.
Look at, I know. Mathias, thank you, look.
Give me 9. I need to come find you. Alright. Anybody else got anything else? Alright, let's go on in, guys.
Nothing.
No thanks. Here.
Where's Low Bridge, guys?
Low bridge.
I don't have to.
I know.
Lower Bridge. Wow.
Whoa. Oh,
It's like really low.
yeah. Really low.
But you're riding.
Guys, we stop here because this caves have 3 zones of light. We've left the entrance zone. Anyone know what zone's ahead of us? Right, dark zone. You been here before, sir? Nope. You want to give the tour? You did a good job. I'll go on break. I'll give the tour. Dark zone, real technical. We stop here. This is twilight. This is the last little bit of daylight we'll be seeing. It's about as far in as animals in the see any better ahead of us than we can. Nothing's really going to grow. But we do have the remains of a garden in here. What's going to grow in a cave?
Oh, look. There's a garden.
Yeah, they're kind of like me, fungi in here. Don't worry, you hate that joke, you'll love all the rest. That's my best one, I saved it for this time. Think about it, fire no sunlight. 1930s, Great Depression going on. He'd grow them button-top mushrooms. Do what you gotta do to pay the bills. All these formations grow at about a cubic inch as they're held tight to the ceiling. If the water takes a track along an angle, you have a flat formation we call cave drapery or cave curtain. When the water hits the ground, you slide by. We don't have no evidence of any Native Americans, ancient civilizations ever being here. We have all kinds.
Oh, wow. Man. Oh.
Alright guys, anybody see anything that looks like it don't belong here? Miller's when I got on bed at the house, the column in the case there. Water pipe.
Ah,
Yep, 1941.
Water pipe. Look,
Decides he's gonna
yes.
get water to the house. They knew the cave was here.
water pipe though.
Yep, well casing. How we doing, Heather? Hey, how we doing, folks? They didn't mean on punching this well, folks. They just used steps off. The guys today, they drilled this whole water started dripping down. We had the beginning of stalactites that were forming at about 3/4 of an inch long. Have oak tree roots coming down 90 feet looking for water. Another interesting thing going on here is that pipe's not supposed to be that color, it's cast iron. It's a growth that we can watch form as we speak. So if that's 84 or 85, I was been curtains in front of us. We drove under the parking lot, under the county road, and we're in the field. If you're dumping outside, you can never know where it's going to end up, and you might end up having to be drinking that water one of these days. Let's keep going talking up a little bit. As we talked to you about the twilight zone, we're in this area we call the dark zone. There's only 2 places in the planet you can achieve this. Continue the tour. My drive might be a little scratchy. They say rubbing the racing, right? If you ain't rubbing, you ain't racing. You ain't first, they call it indirect fire. It was not formed so we can see more of the beauty, more of the color, more of the texture of the cake. Just swap them bulbs, swap them.
Oh, I did. Oh, look at that. Yes. Sinkhole.
Salamanders are down there dark, born blind. They have no eyes. The skin goes over the face. They have no pigment. There's no white, albino. You can see how wet and muddy it is. How that water's all been draining out. Empties out down below where we loaded up. There's wet weather spring out there, Indian spring. Spring's pushing out 9,000 gallons a minute. Like moving, but occasionally we have more water. Spring can handle, so occasionally we have standing water. All the water feeds out to the little soft river. Some people say Native American tribe, guys. Soft spots. They started up in New York, got pushed to Pennsylvania. Then to Michigan, Wisconsin, eventually down into Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma. You can actually walk down to the river. It's about a 20 or 30 minute walk, 10 15 minutes down, 10 15 minutes back up. Car and drive about 4 minutes north of here and go across. Well, it's soft river. You have to get on your belly and crawl for over an hour back up under this bridge. We're getting ready to drive across to get to an area we call the Paradise Ring. We call it the Paradise Ring because that's how good it feels to be able to stand up. Then you got to turn around and crawl over an hour back out. Kind of like fun. At the deepest point, guys, back here, we're over 120 feet below the surface. I'm in elevation all the way to the Continental Divide, guys. They don't call it the high plains out there for no reason. Most of that elevation's over higher. You look down there, guys, you're looking in the lower left camera. You can drive it for a brick day. We get enough rain outside, you have water flowing. It looks like almost like sport appears like in terms of science and mathematics. We've got plenty of lime and plenty of calcium. The only thing we're really missing is gypsum and setting. Other than that, it's natural concrete.
You see?
You got
Yes, you can.
mathematics, that water drips 25 foot around. Road.
Look at her hand.
invite you out here to watch the promotion on Branson, Missouri timeshare. Down here somewhere to make that money. I'm just kidding, guys. We have about a 3-minute science video on how to watch G2K.
Whole drainage system in Australia. Good day.
Yes. Elliott. Take your cheese. A later nap when there is a nice one. Careful of your hand, huh? Uy, Elliott. You scared man pud me. Uy.
Most of this is a stop. Well, very bad that.
Siki, look at here, since it's nice. Mathias, look at here, and Elliott. Because it's nice in their background. Look. Look. Cute. Go right here. Look at now. Cheese. Water.
February 27, 1867, guys, first explorers will get away. Watch this edge coming out through here, too.
First.
Put the stage in
60
here,
degree
on the
year
radio
round.
show called Farmer Ramen here on NBC affiliate KGBX Radio, AM 1260. Buck Owens holds the record over 500 seats. Still selling standing room only, still got some of the original old stage lights. Anybody want to sing in here? Beautiful. You get a church group singing Amazing Grace, group of school kids singing Grand Old Flag. You want to sing something, ma'am? Oh yeah, I play guitar, banjo, mandolin, bass. I've sang a few times in there, it's beautiful. The Presley family from down in Branson, they left the cave in 1967, called the Bluegrass Underground. Oh yeah, acoustics are beautiful in the cave, guys. Talk to you a little bit about good. Whatever they would have had handy, you shoveled up all that back soil, all that back poop, all that soil, all that dirt, and they put it into a vat with a leaching vat. And pour a little water in here. Now water is going to filter that out. That water's going to come out here more kind of nitrate, kind of slurry, kind of sludge. Took that water over and dumped it to a pot and boiled it out. What was left was a white crystal called potassium nitrate, otherwise known as saltpeter. You add potash, charcoal, and sulfur, boom. On your way to get the white powder, gunpowder, guys. A little bit of chemistry, science, and history lesson there. Up ahead, the next area, we're going to go through an area where we know. Just kidding, we're hoping for today. We still got time to make the high noon news. Local celebrities out here. That's where the Jeeps break down. Just kidding. Mushroom farm. See just a little bit of daylight up there. No electricity, not much twilight.
Yeah.
Light going on down in here. It is going to get kind of low coming down through here. Just be careful.
Slow, low.
Watch yourself coming down through here.
Watch out your head. It's low, shallow. Yeah, very low. Oop. Watch out your head, Mathias.
What?
Look, it's low. But you're not that so low. Yeah. Kinahanglan siya kuan. Slow, low, low. Look at that.
Amazing.
That's amazing. That cool, Mathias? Yeah?
All right, guys, as you guys know, I just stated water runs through caves. All because the same leaking. You can tell the ceiling fell in about 3 times. First level, second level, third level. It's a dome now. So you can tell there's a lot of growth. Drapery, soda drop. Look at this column up here. That way they can go through the hill rather than climbing over it. Because we went down on the east side of the cave. They opened it up in the 60s. But you could say at one time, diggers or drillers, they know where caves are because that's their job, is to punch holes in the ground. We haven't even touched the Mississippi Valley. The whole river's full of caves up there in eastern Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, southern Illinois. That natural air conditioning coming out of Mother Earth. It's like an underground basement. Cellar, that's what a cave is. You dig going under the ground. 40 degrees. 105 degrees in June. It's like everybody look up here, guys. Look up.
Look up, Mathias, look. That is awesome.
A hole they cut in about 1907, so you could actually walk, didn't have to crawl to get back there. Grip gun, candle lit tour. I've had folks from Colorado, Oregon, South Dakota talk about candle lit tours. Had a kid in here the other day before I even mentioned this to him. I was getting ready to do this little walk. He was from St. Louis. And he finally got remnants of the old screw insulated, a lot of the black type still got
Look, Mathias, you can stand up.
power lines, electric lines. I mean, it wasn't that all that long ago, 100 years ago. My hometown, 1920.
Yes.
They only run electricity 12 hours a
Yeah.
day. And lights went on in the
Look up,
morning, 10 o'clock, they
Ezekiel.
went back home. 10
Look up.
o'clock at night. Nice technology. Most of this part of the country didn't get power until the 30s and 40s. Or in the middle of nowhere, out in the desert, on a piece at a time. It's like these cell phones. Everybody, you can't hardly give a 40-inch smart TV away. It's all about science, technology moving forward. Originally, I'm actually. Watch the tail coming up through here, guys. Watch the tail.
Oh, too low. Too low. Wait.
Watch this man here. Oh no, we're stuck. I can do it reverse now. I can probably do it. We got enough people spotting. The guy here the other day, he said, I'll give you management to sign on to it. We got a group of scientists doing an evaporation test, see how the water's dissipating. Them cages ain't to keep anything out there, to keep stuff in. They know some raccoons and possums slipping in here at night drinking that old water up. So the mountain science. Down there in the mud where I'm walking around down there, there's still paw tracks. They
No.
right over here, guys, is where that dog went in. That's where them 12-year-olds went in. We're going back up in that hillside. If you think about it for a minute, guys, you let this place sit out here for 5 years and nobody's out here. What's this bluff going to look like? She's going to go back to look.
Oh, nice.
Where's that? Oh, there.
Is that you there? So we have a packet. That's cool. Oh, look at you do. Me, I have a phone.
Guys, we'd like to thank everybody for stopping. Everybody had a little bit of fun, learned something while you were down there. I'm myself and having fun with it. Right, good old Midwest weather.
Where are you? Where are you? Is that you?
Where is his forehead?
Yeah. And me, I have my phone. Yeah, Ezekiel, it's just one half face. But that's cute. That's a cute picture. For lunch. Cream cheese pie. Init pa. Here ang mga batuti. Elliott's here. Mathias will have this chicken now. Oh, more fries. Big Mac. Yummy tricycle. Ano yun to? Chicken, fries, and burger. Yeah?
Sword metal?
Ako na mga hungry. Hungry peeps.
But solar panels are a very
Hungry?
creative way of getting electricity. For sure. Nice cows.
Their father is ridiculous.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh. The mother rhino is giving birth.
No. What a cute baby rhino. Ezekiel, that's a cute baby rhino. Ezekiel don't even get the humor.
No, Ezekiel said it was his favorite part.
Favorite part, why man?
No, that's not my favorite part.
Eh?
My favorite part was a giant red crazy.
Oh, that's also a good part.
With a break pa.
And there's breaks, so you grab those.
Yeah.
That's fun. That's really
Open it, Mathias.
Oh, so Mathias, because Josh wanted to do one at a time.
Yeah.
Your
Oh,
dad
what's
said just
there?
have him do one person at a time. Yeah. Sometimes it's nice to have
Let's
two
see,
legs.
let's
It's
see.
overwhelming. I'll do
Say,
one
let's
later.
see. What is that?
Oh, that's a surprise.
Let me see. Turn it around.
That's a surprise.
What's it
Look at it. Go see.
Picnic.
That's so cool.
Oh.
Willow.
Love you too.
He likes bugs.
Like my shirt? Like the otter. Do you see it? The otter with the skin right sword?
What is that?
That's gonna be my Friday shirt.
Okay, bye, Tommy.
Thank you. You're welcome. Do you like it? Yeah. Cool. That was your mom's idea.
Yeah.
Mom had a great idea.
So scared of.
It was Willow. Willow was
That's cool, Mathias.
Oh, that Willow's stalking her.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, she's all done. You used your cup. My one cup I would use for her broke.
Oh, he used it right away. Oh, saying the bugs.
Found these at the thrift store.
That would be perfect. He's looking insects.
Are they?
Wow.
Hey, Appa. Let him sit there.
He got all the load.
She's wanted.
I always wanted a frog.
Hit it with a hammer.
I know.
Open it.
You're not. No, it's fake.
Oh, no, on the other side. Other side. Other side.
Yeah. Like what's
Pouch, like maybe a...
To keep it all in.
Oh.
Is it a tight walking?
It's a tightrope.
Okay. So we see Jude and Elliott is just
Oh, that's cool.
wow.
Look it up right there.
Okay.
But Evelyn is climbing.
That's perfect right there because there's the rope already.
You can balance on it and do something.
Yeah, let's
Oh, Elliott.
She's a giraffe.
You were climbing a tree like a
Mathias, do you want your present from Auntie Anne?
Auntie,
Okay, Mathias.
see.
Jackson got you the
Oh,
Oh, hail King Elliott.
Keep that paper.
Lift it.
lift it up.
Pull it out.
Pull it out.
You want it, you want it.
He's a
What
man.
You shouldn't open it yet.
Do you see what
What is?
It's a really nice wooden chess set.
Oh, what else? We got two.
Now look at the other thing.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. He likes his book.
What is that?
Tiles.
Oh, a whole lot of magnetic building tiles.
Yeah.
You're very welcome. I told you anything.
Back to back, Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Keep moving. Woohoo! Up. Yeah, because it's right there. Yeah. That fun, Mathias? It's like perfect for this tree. Go in, get down, Ezekiel. Faster. Whoa, Ezekiel's in the finish line. Woohoo! Jump off now. Jump. Look, because Ephraim and Daxon are here next. Go fast, Mathias. Mathias, keep going.
Go faster, Mathias.
Faster. Faster. Why? Don't tickle Ephraim, Ezekiel.
Go down, Mathias.
Woo!
Stop.
Ezekiel. Daxon fall down. Woo! Ephraim almost there. Woohoo! Daxon almost there. Whoop! Ezekiel, you cut. Let Evelyn. Let Evelyn. I know. He always cut them.
You're good. Step over that. Keep going.
Woohoo!
Okay, now get out so Evelyn can come. Go to the edge.
Now it's Evelyn. Wow, that's long. There's still more, huh? Could go right there. The rope. Woohoo!
Do we want to look inside of the
Now you can do
I know it.
I still.
So you can do it in a tree. And then
That one too in the water.
Oh, even in the water?
Yes. Yeah, it said you can do it in the water.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh God. Let me know.
And there's camera in it you can see in there.
Oh my gosh. This is why Jeremy wanted it. Lord.
See, there's camera in there.
No, you gotta turn tight.
Yeah, look. This
Yeah, and
See there, the spider.
I didn't play one was me.
Oh, right there.
I think this. You
I did 4
can take a picture of it by pushing that button.
Oh, look at the spider so you can see better. That one.
I deserve hair.
Ah!
Oh no.
Present on niya. Give kay Elliott. Mati.
We're gonna wait for his car.
There's a tiny thing in there. He put. Ah! Yep, he made it. So cute.
That's so cute. He loves it. You're the maid. And I got something for Joshua and Jeremy. And the thing.
Eloise first daw. Eloise first.
Nuts.
Yep.
Oh my God. He knows how to use it. Wow.
Woohoo! 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 That's it. Whoa. Oi, oi. Whoa. Wow. Wow.
Next time we need a
Yep, you almost got it.
Okay, children, back to the table.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not good. This is gonna have a go.
Yeah. Oh, there's more pop. Wait. Yep, that's it. That. All right. There's. Oh God.
Good job.
What's happening? Woo!
Evelyn, when we say stop, you have to stop, okay?
Keep walking. Keep walking. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Break it. Destroy it. Kill it. Like you're mad at it. Eat it.
Oh! The final!
Annabelle's gonna smash it.
Yeah. Show us the anger. Oh! Woohoo!
Okay, one more time. Hit.
Oh! Go get it!
She wouldn't like that one.
Go get her chocolate, nerds. Oh.
I don't need plums. I'm sorry. Okay, hey, if you have a ton, move back. Move back if you got a ton. Let someone
Yeah.
I just gave my candy back.
Oh, Eloise. Oh, there's more in there.
Eloise. Eloise, this was yours.
Chocolate, chocolate.
Had your bag.
You got mostly time. Now, since you like
Kit Kat, coffee candy, Elliott. There's coffee candy.
like coffee,
Let's bring it on the porch and we'll go
We have coffee candy. Give it to Elliott, Mathias.
huh?
I don't want any.
It's right there. Maybe you.
Yeah, he wants to go and look at what candy they got.
All this candy says gold.
Everybody here. Yeah. Oi. Oh. Ezekiel launching the rocket. Hee. Hee.
No drama. Jeremy, don't let it tip.
Whoop.
Oh, Jeremy.
Whoop.
Oh, wow, weird. It turned.
That's awesome.
Well, actually, it's for 14-year-olds.
She's.
What's that tree? Might be a different one, but it's poisonous too.
Come here.
Whether these palms, I mean, the thorns, whether they have a little venom.
Yeah, there's one tree of those.
Now it looks like moving.
So, you can
Please. Look, she's like this. Bleh.
But then you
Logan.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna sing. You guys ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elliott and Mathias. Happy birthday to you.
Oh,
Woohoo!
What was your wish?
I didn't wish.
I didn't
and how dare you ask what their wish is?
What's yours, Mathias?
Not to come true.
Oh, be not dead. That's a good That's a good wish. Be not dead. To be not dead. That's what we all want.
Looks like you're making let me get the
I don't know. Which piece do you want?
Oh, it's for Eloise. Oh, get right here. We got
Oh, he wants creeper too. Wait, for Louise.
And yes.
And maybe I get one. Whatever you know for
You want to share?
Okay.
Thank you for the cake, Sarah.
Checker for chess. I don't know how to play chess.
This is like the most basic game.
I'll be this side, you be that.
Did you hear that? Everybody.
And the king. Then the queen.
What is this? Bishop? Bishop again?
So cute.
How many bishops there, Jeff? Two.
Do you have two queens?
Okay, let's play.
Let's play na play na play.
No, one. Oh, is this?
No.
Well, we only
He
got
was
one.
laughing.
You got walk out.
Wait.
Move out.
I'll play with somebody after if you guys aren't gonna play them.
I can't want to I'm safe.
And Cherry.
Move your king out of the way. Hold on. Look around.
No, stop it. I know my.
You guys are fun.
Come on.
Have fun playing this chess.
Oh my gosh, not me now. Not me now. Oh, I didn't do it. Ah, I saved my horse. Kill! Oh, kill! Okay, I just moved my. Maybe I just moved my card. I'm going to kill her! Move my turn! I move my turn! They have turns.
Okay.
Kill! Evo! I kill yours! See, I'm better.
The problem.
My twice, usually.
Well,
Naralangkot.
at least up on. Oh,
No, you're good.
okay. I'm safe right now. Until you move from now. And then you probably won't be safe. Yep.
Oh!
So now the horse.
If
Now, Mathias.
I make a better trick. I just make a better trick.
Hold on.
No, don't!
Let go. Look around.
He's coaching. So you guys are better in strategy.
That's where it was. That's where it was.
Is
Look
he
around.
gonna move for my guy?
No, it's your turn.
Look around, look around.
Don't tell him.
Yeah, he just said look around.
Yeah,
So you would
but
decide.
Don't tell me. Move back. Don't. There. Yes, there.
Let's go around. Who else can you use?
Who else?
Don't tell him anything else. Him. No,
I'm
don't
not
tell
telling you anything else.
Yep, that's it.
Pay
That's it.
attention.
the horse. No. No, man. Here.
And do what?
And then he can be right over.
Ezekiel po daw helping.
Almost.
Come on.
Right over there, and then jump right over. Ooh. No! Why did you have to?
I couldn't let that go to waste.
No!
But next is Elliott. You gotta be fair.
That was your fault for leaving him right there.
And then I will move my pawns to face you.
Okay, whatever.
You might have the back. Come on, I will protect him.
So funny.
Actually, first I need to move my rook.
What do you do? Elliott?
Guys, who can many guys I killed from your team? I broke it! I broke it! I broke it with you. Okay. I will go over your basic. Okay. Do I do that? No. Just this guy was a black thing. That would be it. I'm so happy I destroyed that.
Yeah, Ezekiel.
Stop! These things are dead. Blah, blah, blah. Check! Check. I checked you. I checked. That's all. That's all.
Okay, Mathias, do your attack.
Hello.
Yeah.
Attack.
Boom! Check! Oh! Kill!
Nope.
Wait, I did it? I could
You can't kill him because then you die.
Hey.
That was a good attack!
Get that laugh.
I'm dead.
No, you're not.
I know. I just want to die. Dead! Dead me.
That was your choice. That was a mistake.
I got you one now!
You lost one
Uh-oh.
of your good guys for a pawn.
Uh-oh. That's okay.
No, it's fine. Me.
That's a good move.
That was a good move.
Double good move.
That was a triple good move.
No, just a double.
Except double.
You know why?
What?
Where else can you...
Wait, I have a pawn now.
This guy.
This guy?
Yep.
Over in a triangle? Yeah, no. Power up.
Power up the power up.
And I've got my index finger in the corner of my mouth. Release. And then you're going to shoot all 5 of your arrows.
Okay, go.
Raise the bow to the target. Not bad. See if you can push your arm out first.
Chabel. Oh. Good job. Woohoo! Good try, Ezekiel. Ezekiel, good job. That fun?
Arrows you maybe half between you and your target. Something else I want to mention. Quickly, real quick. So whenever we're during the arrows, you can handle some trick with an arrow in your hand that remember you have 5 arrows.
Thank you. Now next, Ezekiel wants to fishing.
I'm so glad that you met.
Right here. Oop. Yeah.
Bobby, you see you right now?
Good job. Yeah? Yeah? Let's see. There is? Oh, that's so cute. Hi, turtle. Look, Ezekiel. You see it?
You scared it. You make me
Hi, turtle. Yeah?
You got a good trick.
You get a good trick.
Pink turtle.
Snapping turtle.
Yeah, you are. Why are you looking at me?
Mathias.
Oh.
What happened? Not moving?
No, it was.
It was? Oh, it is. Dad, there is moving. There's a nibble. Go get it, Ezekiel.
Go back.
Go get it. Here.
It will tell.
Spin though, spin.
There's a fish.
Right there. Did you nibble?
It would.
It just get your worm.
Oh.
Up. Fishy. Yeah. Fishy. Who's that reeling? So Ezekiel will talk it all week. No. Don't really. You always reel, Ezekiel. Wait a little.
Why are they so different?
Different. Yeah, I know.
They are like tropical pumpkins.
No, there's different variety of pumpkins. Oh, this one could be nice. The curb, right? This one would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, they have apples here. Yeah. Very nice. Pretty horse.
I can't get that.
You can get it. Oh, yeah, it's too high. Oh! Survivor daw ay.
Catch him. Kill me.
Ah!
How do we kill you? You only one time. Then you can't teleport.
Soon. Yeah, go get your boots. Oy! Huh?
I'm hosting you.
It smells so good and so pretty pie. Yep. Busy day. Diyan. Filling. Not perfect cut, pero lamig na siya. And then cherry pie. So, mga regalo ni Mathias sa iyang mga auntie o angko. Ilahan ang gikuan. Nag-light up din siya pag kuan na hipo sa sila kailan nagidlaan. Mo light up din siya. So glow in the dark ni siya nga magnetic blocks. Glow in the dark. Stem niya siya nga toy. Ano siya nga piling siya. Puro may Ferris wheel. And this present also GameCube. GameCube Universe Adventure. Napulukan nga. Kuan, present. Lingaw pa siya, ani patuhot-tuhot. Nabutangan naman siya tubig, tapos magkuan na siya mag-miso. Different sound sa bird. Muna yung ihang gamit na uwanay, putos. Isa na putos. Nabutangan naman siya tubig diri. Tapos mawisol na siya, mawisol. Fragile siya, kaya kung ano mag-up. There's more here, what na open. Open pa siya. Kiniwa pa nila open. Ang iba mga kids, i-try na nila. Kiniwa ito, pre. Open siya.
What's that? My last resort. This place has a reputation. So, do exorcists. Hiring one with your brother. It's all the ghosts scaring away our guests. I have to get rid of them for this place to have a
Na red beak. Sabi ka pareha. Wala siya ka pareha. Ilahi siya. Forma. Tapos kini mo na itapay. Did you like this bird thing, Nat?
Yeah, what is this?
It's super cool. That's the one. I think you try this one. You try it. Yeah, put water in there. Put water. I wanna try though. That cool, huh? Other one. Batangan naman siya tubig. Like, different sound, Mathias, huh? Yeah? Oh. You okay? This one. Let me see. Let me see so. Yeah, you don't need to put lots of water because even this one, look, a little water. See that here ni Mamang Bay? Oh, the other one. A lot of water. Wanna try the owl? Ano siyang siyang gift. Different birds. Baka lang naman siya water. Ano siya? So let's see the owl. Owl.
Maybe it needs some more.
Yeah, just little mananak. Little. Oh.
Sound like an owl?
No, the owl. Oy! That's a good one. Did you like it, Nak? Little naman ang water, Nak. Look, gusto na ng water. I like the sound of this. Pretty cool, huh?
That's
Pretty cool?
cool.
So, na yung mga cute whistle. Nangigawas sa lupin uban.
Damn it, Ezekiel, what did I tell you?
Ezekiel? Is there Ezekiel there? And Annabelle? Oh, wow, Ezekiel. So yan, para easy to get sa kids. Butang lang ako dali. Ibabaw. Pag gusto nila gamitin. So yan.
Great, it's weird.
Cool whistle. Cool gift. That fun? Ano siya sa GameCube? Wala. Take
Oh,
that, Ezekiel.
20 score.
Get 20? Wow. Oh, take yours up and see. Ezekiel na po. Wow, what did you do, Ezekiel?
I'm sorry.
Ginahan sila sa GameCube. No, no, no.
Can you move this down a little?
Disco mode.
Score.
She's out here, Ezekiel.
Zero. Zero.
Hey, picture daw siya siyang ghost na piñata. Did you like it?
I don't like it.
So this is our DIY ghost piñata ni Nakno ghost.
Wait.
Simple naman siya guys. Kay box naman siya. Oh.
Ever minute, that thing gonna be here?
They're in the farm. In your party. Ano yeah. So muna siya. Among DIY.
What?
Na teamwork na ni Daddy. Na siya.
We don't know our farm cousins.
Yep. And it will still go there. That's why we make this piñata.
Cousins?
Yeah. Except the one in Philippines. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.